101 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Wednesday, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program, Smart of Your Life, English communities, English discussions, Smart FM with English communities, of course. And I'm not alone here. Of course, I would like to invite to recognize, to introduce themselves one by one. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, I would like to let them to speak to smart listeners and viewers at home. Okay, let's ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, please take. Are you ready? Once again, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. Giving applause for us. Come on. Yes. While we're waiting our friend to join, of course, because actually we have four members or guests, but yeah, while we're waiting, of course, we would like to start our discussion for this evening. Yes. Okay, before we continue our discussion, I would like to invite you guys to introduce yourself one by one. What is your name? What is your English communities? What about the schedule or agenda? Okay, start from you. Come on.
Okay, Bismillah. Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Farhan Maulana and you can also call me Farhan.
Hi.
And yes, hello. Well, I'm from the English Club, or you can say DEC. So in DEC we have three agendas. First agenda, we have a learning class for our new member.
Mm-hmm.
And the second agenda, we have a learning class also, but it's for our daily administration. And the last agenda, we have goes to school. In here, like we are going to school in outside Makassar to teach every student and making them interested about English. So maybe that's all from my agenda.
Okay, welcome back. Yeah, in our second home, Farhan. Okay, what about you? Next.
Hello, Smart.
Yeah,
Is
come on,
this
come
Ronan?
on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Smart listener, and for those who watch on live streaming YouTube, my name is Muhammad Fadraman Imran, but you can call me Fadel, and I am representative of Matcha English Talk Assembly, or you can follow us at Matcha Community in our Instagram, and our main agenda in my community, our community, is we're having going outside to learn English with random people. Yeah.
With random people.
Yes, or who
Uh-huh.
interested to our our group.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Welcome back. Yeah, in
Yeah.
our second home,
Yes,
Smart
it's our
FM. Yeah,
second.
from Meta, Fadel.
Yeah, Meta.
Okay, next, what about you? The new guy? Yeah. New
Yeah.
members, newcomer. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your study club or English communities?
Okay.
And what about the agenda? Please come on to smart listeners and viewers at home.
I'm Zulkarnain Nugraha,
Yeah.
and maybe they call me Nugrah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from BPEC, Benteng English
Benteng Panjua English Club.
Benteng Panyu English Club.
Yes.
Benteng Panyu English Club since
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 mm-hmm.
1986.
86.
86. Yeah.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Alright. And no many about me.
Mm-hmm. So I mean, like the agenda, please. What day?
yeah.
What day?
I school in SMA.
No, I mean like BPC itself. The conduct the meeting.
communities.
Conduct the meeting. Every when they conduct meeting.
every Sunday.
Okay, every Sunday 10 a.m. until
Yeah.
2 p.m. Right?
Alright.
Is it free?
Yeah, free.
Free of charge.
Free.
So come to smart listeners to join.
So come join in BPEC.
Okay. Do you know the Instagram? Please mention the Instagram of BPC.
Yeah, BPEC have Instagram
Mhm.
account.
Yeah.
BPEC only BPEC.
BPC 86.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
Makassar.
alright.
Okay.
Why I don't know about that?
Okay, it's okay, no problem. The mention I help you to remind, right? I
Yeah.
help you to remind about the social media of BPC also because I'm also from BPEC.
Oh.
Okay, give it a applause for us. Okay,
you.
thank you. Yeah, welcome in our second home because yeah, all of community English community is our second home here in Smart FM. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Already.
Okay, we are ready to discussing, and today or this evening we would like to talking about one of platform social media in the world, and this is a very popular and this social media platform was developed since 2009. Yeah, one of American nationality, but I forget who is the founder, who is the researcher. Yeah, the founder of Ome TV itself. Okay, we may searching, and smart listeners also may help us to remind us who is the founder itself of Ome TV. Then Ome TV is a one of alternative to study. Yeah, English club. English subject, and this is a very helpful to peoples all of the world to increase and helping connect to another peoples in all of the world. And one of the platform social media, of course, we called Ome TV, and that's why our topic for this evening is Ome TV Trend. Giving applause for us again. Okay, I would like to start from Farhan. Okay, again and again and again, the question is the same poll, the same term. What is your reaction and what is your opinion to got this this topic for this evening, Ome TV Trend?
Well, actually, this is interesting topic and a little bit fun because based on my opinion and based on my experience, this topic talk about there's a person who want to make a video call with random people with a purpose, like they want to make a dialogue, sharing session, and sometimes they are looking for a new friend to increase their language. For example, like English, and sometimes people they are looking for a girlfriend or boyfriend.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
because I ever have a lot of friend, and she has a good boyfriend, and oh my God, her boyfriend from American. So I talk to him. I talk to her. Where do you go, your boyfriend? He said to me, yes, I got from Ome TV. Oh, sure, yes. So that's why I think, oh my God, Ome TV. There's so many benefit if you get a lot of people in there. So I think Ome TV is a good platform to make a video call with another people, even though you're distant so far. Maybe that is also for me.
Okay, keep your statement. I got a point. Thank you, Farhan. Okay, next, still the same. I mean, like a similar color, but you guys, it's like we call in Indonesia senada. Okay, what about you? You get a point. The question. What is your reaction and what is your opinion about our topic this evening?
Well, because I only recently access Ome TV yesterday night. Yes.
Yesterday.
Yes,
Wow.
yesterday night. Yes.
Wow.
And because I'm sleepy, and well, after hours I'm searching even in this noon. Yes, I Ome TV noon. Well, there's some kind of it's kind of I'm having finding finding a needles in haystack, but because I don't know what to say, it's kind of hard to telling that is it's fun to meet the random people, but what I found is not some of them are doing something inappropriate,
and the
like-
most important, and you can explore
yes,
the world by Ome TV. You can find a lot of people, a lot of friends
yes,
by random on Ome TV, right?
yes.
So I mean, like Ome TV is your priority, or maybe Instagram, or what?
Actually, I prioritize only in Instagram,
Instagram.
not in Ome
Okay.
TV.
Okay,
or
bye.
something
Okay,
like Tinder
come
or
on.
something.
Keep your statement. Yeah, I will move to you. Okay, I move to Nugra. Okay, do you go surprise?
Before?
No. My
Oh.
question first, please.
Yeah.
Okay, what is your reaction and what is your opinion about this topic for this evening?
I don't know about Ome TV.
Mhm.
Before, my friend sorry, tell me yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I look about Ome TV
Uh-huh.
in Google in article.
Uh-huh.
Ome TV not many different like Instagram,
Mhm.
Facebook,
Mm-hmm.
but
Do you have a Ome TV?
I not play Ome TV,
No.
but I have Ome TV.
But why you don't using it?
I don't know about that.
Oh my god, it's a very. I mean, like, you don't know.
Yeah.
Let me know why you didn't using it.
Ome TV we meet random people and why
Like us, we meet by random because today is the
random
first time you meet each other, right?
I don't like.
Oh, you don't like Ome
don't
TV.
Yeah.
You don't like Ome TV.
Yeah.
You don't like
I don't like.
But
Ome
how
TV.
do you know you like or not before you are using it?
Because my friend tell me about Ome TV.
That?
And then
Yeah, only that.
okay. Oh my god, it's funny. Okay, but keep your statement. I'm still curious. What will you say to us after this? Okay, I move to the next question. The second question. Maybe you.
Yes, okay.
Okay, my question is how to say? I suddenly forget my question. Sudah berapa lama? How long you're using it? Ome TV.
Just one day, actually. Yes.
One day, really?
Yes. Yeah, that yesterday night.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Because I'm kind of
I
bored.
thought you. I mean, like you used
Yes.
Ome TV only yesterday.
Yes, only yesterday because
Because the topic is related to Ome TV. That's why you researched about it, right?
yes, because I before I know about Ome TV, there's some kind of controversial about
Mm.
Ome TV,
Mm.
and also some of the
What the
art trends.
controversial?
Well, you know what I say about inappropriate.
Oh yeah,
You
yeah.
know the body parts they looking arrogant.
okay,
Something
okay.
that
Okay,
makes me
please filter
feel
your sentences.
uncomfortable. Yes.
Uh-huh.
But actually, when I read some articles that not all of that, they're looking for body parts. That I know that
Let's say inappropriate things.
appropriate
yeah.
things like you meet a new friends random around the world, even though, yeah, you can still something like switch yourself for like Australia, New Zealand. I
okay.
also doing like that for
How
find
you
someone
like that?
to find someone from like Australia. I need to find someone from Australia, not like Indonesian like me.
Okay.
But
Are
all
you
of-
excited to play Ome TV itself?
kind of excited, but
Mm.
I recommend you not to, play Ome TV on afternoon because all of them were Indonesian,
Ah.
and in US or Australia or New
Because
Zealand.
they're a different time, right? The
Yes,
different
and
zone.
they have time to work. Yeah, so
Mm.
I guess that Indonesian where play Ome TV on their free time and not
Okay.
doing a work. I
Ah,
guess. Yes.
Yeah, okay, good. Good
Yeah.
statement, thank you. Okay, what about you, Farhan? Udah berapa lama you use? Are you?
well, actually, I ever play Ome TV, but I'm not sure how
Mhm.
long. I'm forget,
Mhm.
but based on my experience, maybe on the
So I mean, like, because you say because you are busy, but will you back to play using it the Ome TV itself?
maybe I will play if I get bored.
Gabut ya.
Yeah. Oh yes,
Mhm.
I'm bored. Or maybe if I want to increase my language, maybe I will download again or
Mhm.
play again to get random people.
Mm-hmm.
But I hope I want to get another people in outside Indonesia, for example, like in American.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm so really bored with meet with a random people in Indonesian. They're
Mhm.
sometimes
Just keep.
yes, just skip. Then their face looks like so annoying, and I don't really I don't really like it.
Uh-huh.
So when I look the face of Indonesia, I'm skip again until I get apa American.
Foreigners.
Yes, foreign.
You always say American. So a lot of race in the world. There is a African, Chinese. There is a India. There is
because American is my favorite place. So yeah, I mean like that.
Virginia, Miami, New York.
So if I get foreign people in Ome TV, okay, I will ask him. So
because they have a blue eyes,
Yes.
they're blonde.
their face so good, they're so beautiful, handsome,
Mhm.
and it's so interesting for me. So I will ask them. But if I have Indonesian people, just keep.
Mhm.
Maybe
Okay,
that's all.
okay. Except the football, Indonesian football. It's good. Yeah, we are. Oh my god. Okay, kidding. Of escape. Okay. My question now. Are you waiting for?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. When you first time to using it, I mean, how long being you?
Never.
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 Oh my god.
But
will you?
I was look, my friend use
Mhm.
on my TV.
You will. But I mean, like, my question is for yourself. Will you using it
Maybe no.
now
And-
after this?
No. Maybe I will uninstall my application.
Uninstall.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You have to explore first before you conclude your. I mean, your negative or positive side, something like that. You have to explore it first. But why you want to uninstall it?
Yeah. Cause
Unfortunately.
I don't like only that. Yeah.
Oh, you don't like.
Yeah.
But could you tell us the experiences of your friends, that information that you got from your friend? What the story? What their experience did told you about their experience?
I was see. Maybe how many the word
Mm-hmm.
I feel it's bad. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The conclusion is too much inappropriate things inside according your perspective and your experience perspective of your friends, right? You get the point?
Yeah.
Inappropriate hal-hal yang tidak sesuai.
Yeah.
Yes, right?
I get.
Mhm.
Like yeah.
Do you get my point? Do you understand what I say?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Okay. So I mean like lebih banyak hal-hal yang tidak baik begitu ya.
Yeah.
Menurut pengalaman teman-temanmu yang diceritakan kepada kamu.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, that's why you will uninstall it.
Yeah, because that.
Yeah, because that. Okay. Yeah, give it applause for us. Okay. To recharge our mood booster. Okay, my question is okay, you, Farhan. As long as you so far, I mean not as long as so far you use Ome TV itself, what is the benefit you got? Except your explanation first. I mean, just make addition point about the positive side to using it, Ome TV.
Well, the benefit from Ome TV, I think you have to try this.
Yeah.
I mean, like in Ome TV, you know, there's a benefit of
Mhm.
that, so you have to try that. So you don't have to uninstall before you try it. I mean, like in Ome TV, we can get many experience
Yeah.
in positive things. I mean, you can increase your language. You can get more people,
Mm-hmm.
and I mean, like the benefit is so really many. So I think if you uninstall, I think you waste your time.
You will regret.
Yeah, just try first.
Trust me.
So if you get Indonesian people, just uninstall. So I mean like the benefit, yes, but so I mean like the benefit is first you can encourage your English.
Mm-hmm.
You can sharing session with them. You can make a dialogue, and there's so many things that I have from that. But there's negative negative thing.
Yeah.
Also?
Wait, hold on about the negative because
I get.
we focus on positive first, right?
Okay.
Okay, just it.
Yeah, maybe that's all for me.
Okay. What about you? What is the positive side when we use the Ome TV itself?
Actually, I'm kind of agree with what's your name again? I'm for
Farhan.
Farhan. Yes.
Farhan from Enrica.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay.
You know, the benefits are the same that Farhan was saying. You know, meet with random people from random countries all over the world, and even though if you want to learn English, but you only got Indonesian, yes, you know, you don't have to skip that. You can, frankly, like, hello, what's your name? Like, because, yeah,
Say hello.
yes,
Hi.
hi,
Mhm.
and speak English because, yeah, I'm kind of used to praying with someone.
Oh.
And also, because of my face, like, I'm Chinese or Thailand or something like
Your
that.
face?
Yes,
Okay.
it's kind
It's
of,
look like
yes, it's some kind of,
Sawadika.
yes,
Yeah.
it makes they meet me like, are you Thailand? Are you Chinese? Yeah, yes, I'm a Chinese. You say about the Chinese. I say, "Xin gong wei." But even though I don't know about the Chinese, but yeah, despite of the negative things, I think Ome TV is, more beneficial than
Okay.
other streamings like Africa TV from Korea
Okay.
or Twitch or Discord, something like else like that. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Before we are going to you, yeah. We hold on first. Maybe you want to join? You want to join? But Ome TV Trend, just come on, spontaneous here. You want? Okay. Come on. Are you sure? Okay. Baik. I move to you. I would like to let you to think positive side, even you doesn't like it, but it's okay. Just try to imagine what is the positive side of Ome TV itself, according your perspective.
Maybe after this meeting,
Mm-hmm.
I will use.
You'll try it.
Yeah,
Really?
I will try. I will try.
You have
and
to show me the problem.
that
You
might-
influence him.
First try.
Okay.
If I think maybe we can now some culture, new
Uh-huh,
culture,
uh-huh.
and
We're waiting for you when you play the Ome TV after this. Please to screenshot and send us.
oh yeah.
As a proven, as the evidence that you will explore the Ome TV itself, right? Are you? Are you
Yeah.
agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, I'm waiting for your statement. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Toss. Give me hands. My hands. Okay, so try to explore what is the positive sides. Do you have an idea about the positive side of Ome TV?
Only we can know about new culture,
Mm-hmm.
about new
You know, at friends from all of the world because we're connecting each other. Of course, you add your friends from all of the world, from all of nationalities, right? For example, I mean, like you got a friend, you will get friend from Spanish, from Arab, from Chinese.
never.
I mean, you will.
In Indonesia, right? In Ome TV, it's a bad.
Oh my god! Just give your consistent statement because right now you say, okay, I will try. It means that you will try to make a positive thinking, make a positive side, and you will explore. But just now you say it's a bad. So please, consistent. Okay, I will. I will.
Okay.
Okay, I will move to another, and I will back to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I move to you again, Farhan.
Next question.
Yeah, next question. This is the opposite. Okay, you may now try as much possible you can about the negative, because we already talking about the positive. Now you may try to collect the negative side as much possible you can. Come on.
Well, for the negative side, based on my experience,
Mm-hmm.
the The negative looks like there is a person and they make video call
Mm-hmm.
and then they show their private body, and that is already annoying.
Okay.
It's sometimes happen in Indonesian people.
Oh.
Yes, I ever look-
I mean like the how to say this the how to say pelaku from foreigners, but the
the
object Indonesian.
but sometimes the
But something also
yes.
Indonesian itself.
Yes.
Oh my.
Also sometimes it happens to me, and sometimes
Really?
yes, I think it's only
Oh my
happens in foreigner.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes when I searching, I play on my TV more and more, and then I look, oh my god, it's from
How to say they take this is Indonesian, Malaysian, Philippine, Thailand because we are the same. Yeah, the look.
yes, yeah, but
Yeah?
I know their face. There maybe looks like
Ah.
Indonesia, like a Java. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
oh my god, skip, and then skip.
Uh-huh.
That is the negative one.
Okay.
And the second is sometimes they play Indonesian. I mean, they speak Indonesian, and sometimes they apa ya, mengejek. I mean,
Okay. Bullying.
they bullying someone who has a bad body. I mean, for example, like, hey, you don't have hair. You're so really ugly. You're so really stupid, or something like
Oh
that.
my god.
That is so really annoying. So if I look people like that, I just only skip until I get the foreigner people in another word. That is the negative side that I ever had.
Based on experience.
Yes, based on my experience, because I ever using that. Maybe just only that I ever.
But you will be back, right?
Maybe.
Okay. Okay, what about you? What is the negative side according to your perspective, your experience, or maybe your friend's experience, or just imagine try?
All of the social media, especially like Ome TV, is no, you cannot escape from negative like cyberbullying.
Mm-hmm.
And the second one is something racism. Yeah, I look at articles that girls from with blue strips and David stars
Mm-hmm.
is I go this thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then and also just why foreign say is where some of them where nullify or they showing body part. And also when he talks something sensitive about politics, like racial
Religion.
yes
yeah.
religion, it makes Ome TV is having negative stereotype.
Okay, much. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I move to you. Maybe these your favorite things about the bad things or the negative side of Ome TV itself.
I have same opinion,
Yeah. What are they?
but I can. Ome TV is free platform and no limit.
The limit and.
Yeah.
Give your statement. I move to another. Yes. Okay. Keep your statement. Yeah. Yeah. We are still here. Yeah, guys. Maybe you can, smart listeners and viewers at home, give comment to in our channel YouTube. Yeah. Smart FM Makassar 101.1. Yeah. Give and okay. You may also say hello to us. Yeah. And etc. Okay. Still our topic for this evening. Ome TV Trend. Okay, I back to you. Yeah, according your experience about Ome TV itself, just proximately on your mind, how many person your friend using in your life? How many person?
How many person my
Mhm.
friend using that?
Yes.
I'm-
3%, 5%?
I'm not per.
And
I'm
what
not,
is the factors?
actually, I'm not sure because in every single day, if I meet with my friend,
Mm-hmm.
I never look them using that Ome TV. I don't never look. Maybe just only 5%.
5%.
Yes, because
Uh-huh.
as based on my
This is a
experience.
low, yeah, low,
Yes,
low index.
Low index.
Yes.
I think. I don't
But
know.
what is the factor? Why low index about Ome TV?
Maybe because they has know that about the negative side of Ome TV, and it's that is the impact for them to don't play it,
Mm-hmm.
and then maybe they are so really busy, so they
And the
don't-
most important, maybe, I mean, like our friends don't know speak English.
yes, maybe that is another
That
point.
is the point.
Maybe.
Yeah, because they
Because-
cannot speak English.
Because
right?
maybe they think Ome TV just only using English, so maybe
Mhm,
that's
right.
why they don't use Ome TV.
Right, totally.
Maybe that's all.
Okay. Okay, I move to you again. It's very short. Yeah. Do you have a commercial break? Okay,
No.
continue. Okay. Just approximately, how many person totally your friends using?
Actually, only one that I know.
1%.
Yes.
How many
It's-
person?
One girl is a girl from.
This is not person. This is a numbering.
Oh, numbering. Oh, I see.
One is numbering, not 1%.
I'm so sorry.
It's different.
Actually, maybe it's only.
Point 0.000001.
Yeah. Yes. I don't know approximately because
No, come on,
not all
no,
of
no,
them.
no, 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 1%.
Yeah, not all of them, using Ome TV for English or something
Mhm,
else.
mhm.
Yeah, they just, only read about them, so it makes negative stereotype
Mhm.
about it.
Mhm.
I know. Maybe
Mhm.
it's maybe if I don't know approximately, it's just only 10 or something. Yeah, I
Okay.
have so much friends, but
Okay.
I don't really know about my other side of my friends.
Mm.
That they watch Ome TV for having fun or something like that.
Do you have experience that when you meet the peoples on Ome TV, that their English is very weak, or they are very fast, are fluent in English?
They're native. They're
They're
so fast, and they're kind of native speakers for me.
Based your experience.
Yes.
But I'm sure that of course you will skip when you get bored to facing the native. Of course, after that there is how to say non-native.
Yes.
So according your experience, are they have a good English or
No.
no?
Yeah, it's just only one that I know that they
Ah.
have so fast to speak English that this is a native one. This is a real one. Yeah. In afternoon that he cook something like sandwich or something. Yes.
Okay, interesting. Cook. I'm hungry. Okay. You, Nugraha. Why do people still seldom play the Ome TV?
For example, like you.
How many?
No. Why do people still seldom play the Ome TV?
I don't know because I don't follow them.
You don't have data about it.
But I only was
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go.
was
Do not hesitate when you speak. Do not hesitate
Was
to
it-
put Indonesia or Bahasa
was
when you
it
start English.
was it they use on my TV?
Mm-hmm.
One handphone
Mm-hmm.
and maybe 5 or 10 people.
Yes.
So I don't know.
Don't have data about the peoples who using Ome TV. You don't
Yeah.
have data, right? You know data.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have-
I don't have.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's normal actually because we have to research when you want to know about the data itself. Okay, but I think we appreciate your honest, right? Because you are because you are very honest. That's good. Okay, I changed my question. You still okay? Back to you. What the favorite part when you play the Ome TV? What
I-
is the favorite part?
My favorite part is when Indonesia wants to try and say hi, and then they say, "Are you Chinese?" And then I say, "Yes, I am
Ah,
Chinese,"
see.
and show me your Chinese language, or I say,
Oh my God.
speak your Chinese. I
Uh-huh.
say,
Ni hao ma.
"Ni hao ma, wu shi shan." Yeah, something gibberish or babbling about Chinese, even though I don't know, I don't really know about Chinese. I only know English and Arabic a little, and
A
Spanish
little Arabic?
Yes.
Spanish also?
Yes, I learned from you know the
Buenos
green bird,
noches.
from the green bird.
Ah.
That bird. Okay, and after after I say that, they just
Uh-huh.
skip. That girl just skip. Yes.
It's
It's-
funny.
Yes, because
Mm.
I'm also kind of bored. So bored, and I need to find someone who wants to play with me or trying to prank with me.
That is your favorite part.
Yes.
Okay.
At
Okay.
least.
What is the opposite? I mean, like the dislike part.
As long as I know, I don't have dislike experience about it.
Okay.
So far, yes,
Okay.
because I recently, play Ome TV yesterday, so I
Okay.
really don't have negative
Okay.
experience.
Nice. Okay. So like it's like deadline. Okay. What about you, Farhan? What is your favorite part when you play Ome TV?
Well, my favorite part in Ome TV when there's a foreigner people and they really interesting to make a dialogue with me. And the another is they have we have a good same favorite.
Yes.
I mean, like when that people really look something and we have the same, and I'm so really happy.
They
and-
like the same hobby. the
Yes, I
same-
mean like we have the same hobby, we have the same food. So I
like
think
this time.
yes. So I think we have same, but the distance so far, but no problem. That is my little good part from my TV. Maybe so far I know maybe that's all.
What about the opposite? I mean the dislike part when you play the Ome TV.
Dislike. The dislike is when I want to talk with the foreigner, they skip me.
Suddenly.
Yes, that's all.
Like you mind like it's curious, but suddenly skip.
Yes, I want to
Oh my
ask
God.
him. Oh my! After that, she skip me.
How do we say in Bahasa something like that?
They ignore me. They ignore me.
Yeah,
They
ignore you.
me.
Rasanya nyesek.
Oh, so really hurt me.
Okay, ignore. It's hard.
It's very hard.
Okay, that is the dislike part.
Yes, that is a dislike point
Yeah.
that I got.
Okay. Yeah, we still have time to talking about Ome TV itself. Yeah. And what about you, guys, smart listeners? Do you have an opinion about the Ome TV itself? What is your maybe you may send the opinion in our YouTube channel about your the favorite part and the dislike part about your experience, guys, at home. Yeah, same like our friends told you that this is our this is my favorite part, this is my dislike part, something like that. Okay, we still continue. Yeah, Anugraha, because you don't have experience about that, you promised to to play, right? To play. What is your first plan? What will you want to find on Ome TV? Your mission.
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay. What will you find soon? What will you find? What your mission?
Only grading
Mhm.
them
Mhm.
at first.
Maybe I guess suddenly you will falling in love with girl because the girl is very beautiful from maybe like a Russian,
Yeah, I don't
Ukraine.
know.
Yeah, you don't know. Okay. So you still, I mean, like you don't know, but it everything it will be happen, right? Maybe you will, how to say, get friendship from Ome TV itself, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay, you have an idea about the question to Nugra, please? Okay, no, yeah, okay. So what about the peoples? Why they like play Ome TV according your perspective?
Mm, what I say?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Can you repeat your question?
I mean, like, why do people like play Ome TV?
Maybe
Even you don't have
any connection,
experience.
any connection, communication,
Mm-hmm.
between
Okay.
them
Okay.
and them in Ome TV.
There is like a necessary, right? Kebutuhan. There is like necessary. There, it's like relatable with their self because they want to maybe improve their self. They want to improve their speaking. They want to get many friends. They want to like get new cultures, cross cultures and understanding. They want to get new information about in another country, right? Something like that. Probably, maybe, or
yeah, maybe
yes.
that's right. But
Mhm.
in some
Yes.
condition, only they use Ome TV
Mhm.
only in Indonesia. Maybe in Indonesia gabut.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
You're right. You're right. You're totally right. Okay. In Indonesia, we call gabut.
Yeah.
I mean, like, don't have productivity.
Yeah.
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 It's normal. It's you do nothing. It's normal when we say, unfortunately. I mean, like, it's depend on the situation and depends on the people, right? We cannot say it's unfortunately useless. We cannot say, right? Because every individual is the different taste, different necessary, different style, different. Everything is different. So, but yeah, as the people who doesn't have, I mean, like, not using Ome TV, it's normal. If you say probably, maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's normal. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we move to the next question. Yeah, maybe conclusion. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Well, I get insight from you all
Hold on.
guys.
Hold on. Before, guys, you talking about our conclusion. Maybe after this, if you still have extra time, you may mention about the vocabularies, about the wise word, about the idioms, yeah, about final statement, closing statement, and etc. So, okay, please conclude our topic based your perspective, Fadel. Come on.
Okay. Yeah.
See the camera, please.
Yes, I can see him. Okay, I always, look at the
Uh-huh.
camera when you say
Uh-huh.
speak something. Okay, I got all of your insights from you. So, Ome TV, despite having some negative, negative stereotype or having a consequence for, or get ready to having being cyberbullying or looking something inappropriate or someone who cussing word to you,
Okay.
harassing you, or
Mm.
insensitive about something. It's a good thing to you try to learn English from random people from all the countries in the world. Yeah, you not only you got good at speaking English, but you can know about their culture
Yes.
and their hobbies. If you got a friend, you get a friendship, I guess, and also you can have someone you love in here.
Oh my.
Yes, it's just like
very special.
Tinder or something like that, Bumble. Or
Okay.
yeah, I know something on me, I guess.
Okay.
Finally, yeah, is that is all the conclusion I get. Yeah, I'm having brain
Okay.
fog, I guess.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Nugra? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Before this meeting,
Mm-hmm.
I had Ome TV.
Ah.
Yeah, I had Ome TV.
Okay.
Because we met random people, then I maybe introvert.
Okay. You're introvert.
I shy.
Oh, shy. Okay. So, please back to the point. What is your conclusion?
Ome TV is good. Not wrong. We try.
Hmm.
So you have to try.
Yeah, I have to
Okay.
try.
Okay, you have to try after this, and you promise to me that you will sing screenshot when you playing it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will waiting for you. I have a contact you. Okay, thank you. What about you, Farhan? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Well, for my conclusion for this topic, actually, no many, but for my new friend who want to learn English or who has learned about English, you can
Yes.
use Ome TV for a good platform to encourage your speaking.
Mm-hmm.
So you can speaking with your new friend. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
so if you sometimes get bored, you can just only install Ome TV and then you can play that, and after that you can make a dialogue with someone. No problem, and that the people is so really annoyed. But if you're bored, just talk with them until you got something sensitive
I like your
side.
style when you're using the microphone like this.
Yeah. I mean, like,
this is
when-
a new style. Uh-huh.
When you get something sensitive side, you just skip, and then just I mean, like, just get new friend who want to speak English like you.
Uh-huh.
So first you have to know you must be brave. Don't be shy. No
Mhm.
problem. No
Don't
problem.
be shy, yeah, Nugraha.
No
yeah?
problem if you are
Uh.
introvert. No problem. That is normal. But you have to try, so you can be better.
Mhm.
Just try.
Mhm.
Never try,
Better
never
but not
know.
chocolate, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Give a applause for us. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming here in our second home. Thank you Nugraha. Yeah. Nugra from BPEC. Thank you Fadil from Meta. Thank you Farhan from DEC or DEC. Yeah. That's all our conversation, our discussion for this evening. Yeah. About Ome TV Trend, smart listeners and viewers at home. And always, listen 101.1 Smart FM, especially in our English program, every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Yeah, so always watching and listen Smart FM. That's all our conversation. See you for the next meeting. Bye.